Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful elegant earrings, the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. In this video, we will explore a stunning collection of modern earring designs that effortlessly bridge the gap between traditional elegance and contemporary style. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or adding a touch of glamour to your everyday look, these versatile earrings are sure to complement any outfit. Join us as we showcase these exquisite pieces that capture the essence of timeless beauty with a modern twist. So let's discover the perfect earrings to elevate your style and make a statement that's both classic and on trend. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more such fashion inspirational videos. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.